Good morning, everyone. My name is Shekhar Reddy, Senior Physics Faculty. So, welcome to my channel GPSR Physics classes. So, today we are going to discuss about motion of a connected bodies with strings. Already previous videos I was discussed about some topics connected bodies. Now we'll discuss further connected bodies. Now, two bodies of masses. Two bodies of masses M1 and M2. Our component M1 is greater than M2. Let it be M1 greater than M2. Connected shown in figure. Connected shown in figure. Find first bit acceleration of the system. Second bit tension in the string. So according to given condition, two bodies. So like this is one of the horizontal table. Smooth horizontal table. A block of mass M, like this is frictionless massless pulley. So M2 placed on horizontal surface, M1 vertically suspended with the string. The string passes over the pulley. The pulley in nature frictionless and massless. And the surface of the table. This is also smooth surface. So here M1 greater than M2 means the body moves downward direction. Here M1 direction, downward direction. That means acceleration of the system. So always acceleration along the motion of the object. If the body moves downward direction, at the same time M2 moves on horizontal surface from left to right. So you are asking acceleration of the system and tension in the string. Tension in the string. Someone like this is suspended here. Weight of the body acts always vertically downward direction. Tension T acts away from the mass. Point nothing but mass. Acceleration here. Tension away from the mass. So now we draw the free body diagrams of the system. First we will draw the FBD for mass M1. So M1 separate from the system and the mass taken as point mass M1. All the forces should be on M1. Let it be M1G, weight of the body vertically downward direction. Tension away from the point, nothing but mass. So what is the direction of motion? Downward direction. That means acceleration downward direction. So here motion of the body only vertical motion, vertically downward direction. So net force on the body along vertical direction only, but horizontal direction there is no force. So from Newton's second law of motion, from second law of motion. F net force on the point mass M1 is equal MA. If a body moves downward direction in M1 G greater than 2 tension. So here net force we have to write M1 G minus T, that is equal mass is M1. M1 into A. Let be equation 1. Equation 1. So next we'll draw this free body diagram for M2. FBD for mass M2. So now M2 is separate from the system and draw the diagram showing all forces acting on it. A body on the surface of table, weight of the body acts downward direction M2G, normal force away from the surface. Body moves, tension away from the point moves. Same thing. Towards right. Acceleration of the system. The body moves towards right side. So in vertical motion, acceleration is 0. Acceleration is 0. What is the reason? There is no motion. That means normal force is equal weight of the body. Weight of the body. Along horizontal direction, the tension equal to force. Tension equal to force. Along like this is origin vertical direction, normal force equal to weight of body. Horizontal direction. Net force according to Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to MA. From second law of motion, where net force is equal to mass, tensional force. So that means we have to write net force, tensional force, T. What is the mass? Mass M2 into acceleration. Let be equation 2. Now our requirement acceleration. First we will find the first bit. Acceleration of the system A. For acceleration, so for first body, first equation, left side mass into acceleration, second equation also. One side mass into acceleration. So next to this equation, M1G minus T, this equation, only T. For acceleration, for A, equation 1 plus equation 2. On both sides. So first equation left side what is M1G? M1G minus T. Second equation left side only T. So here first equation right side M1G. Second equation right side M2A. So A will be common M1 plus M2 into A. M1 plus M2 into A. So here minus T plus T cancel. M1G is equal M1 plus M2 into A. So the mean acceleration of the system M1G by M1 plus M2 is equal to A. Or in convenient, we have to write this value. A is equal M1 by M1 plus M2 into G. So this is acceleration of the system. Acceleration of the system. Now second bit, what is asking? Tension in the string. So like this is single string connected by the two masses. That means tension is same. Second bit, tension in the string. In the string. So tension purpose, directly in second equation, tension is equal to M2A, but here acceleration is equal to this one. For tension, A value, substitute in equation 2. So what is equation 2? Equation 2, T is equal M2 into E. Now already we know that acceleration is equal to this one. So acceleration value substituting here, T is equal to M2 M1 by M1 plus M2 into G. So this is we have to write T is equal M1 M2 by M1 plus M2 into G. So this is tension in the string. Okay, these are two formulas. One is tension, second one is acceleration. Now another application. So here in this case, first mass vertically suspended, second mass placed on horizontal surface. So next case, these same masses connected as shown in figure, diagram will changes. So next application, two bodies of masses M1 and M2, M1 greater than M2, connected, shown in figure. Find acceleration and tension. So like here, now consider inclined plane. Inclined plane. So this plane is known as inclined. A block of mass M2 placed on inclined plane, now fully fixed. The second mass, next mass, suspended vertically, like this is M2. M1. So at the same time, here M1 greater than M2, the motion vertically downward direction along the inclined plane, upward direction. So here also asking the acceleration of the system and the tension in the string. So same thing, we'll draw the free body diagram for M1 and M2. LPD for M1. So M1 separate from the system and to draw the diagram showing all forces. Weight of the body acts in downward direction, tension upward direction, the acceleration of the body downward direction. Acceleration of the body downward direction means so resultant force downward direction. So that means here let be M1G greater than tension. From Newton's second law. Second law. Net force or resultant force. F is equal MA. F means net force. How many forces? One force acts downward direction, one force upward direction. The motion downward direction means net force downward direction. So here net force equal to the difference between weight of the body, tension in the string, here mass M taken as M1. Write the equation 1. So next we draw the FBD for second mass. FBD for mass M2. So now mass M2 separate from the system. Like this is inclined plane. Like this is M2. For weight always downward direction. M2G. Normal force 90 degrees to first surface here. So your weight can be resolved to component. We know that already. M2G cos theta is balanced by normal force. Mg sin theta, M2G sin theta along the inclined plane downward direction. So your motion of the body along inclined plane upward direction, that means acceleration upward direction. Tension. So from this diagram, so along this direction no force, that means normal force equal to M2G cos theta. That means N minus M2G cos theta equal 0. So there is no acceleration. There is no acceleration means there is no motion perpendicular to inclined plane. So, but here what direction motion? The motion along the inclined plane upward direction. So that means here let be T is greater than M2G sin theta. So net force on the body is from second law, from Newton's second law. net force F is equal to M2A. Where what is the net force? Tension minus M2G sin theta. Tension minus F2G sin theta, that is equal to net force. So net force we have to write T minus M2G sin theta. Here M we have to write M2 into acceleration. That be equation 2. So now our requirement will ask the acceleration and tension. Acceleration and tension. Acceleration and tension. First bit. For acceleration. Equation 1 plus equation 2 on both sides. On both sides. Then what is equation 1? This one. Equation 2, this one. So left side equation 1, M1G minus T, second equation, plus T minus M2G sin theta. So right side equation from first equation M1G, second equation M2G. A will take common M1 plus M2 into A. M2 into A. So in this equation, minus T plus T get cancelled. M1G minus M2G sin theta is equal M1 plus M2 into A. M2 into A. So in this equation, left side G will take common M1 minus M2 sin theta into G is equal M1 plus M2 into A. So our requirement acceleration. So now acceleration A is equal. Acceleration A is equal M1 minus M2 sin theta by M1 plus M2 into G. This is acceleration of the system. Acceleration of the system. So now remaining bit. Tension in the string. Tension in the string. Second bit. Tension in the string. In the string. For tension, A value substituting in equation 1. For tension, A value substituting. For tension, A value substitute in equation 1. For tension, A value substitute in equation 1. So equation 1, m1g minus t is equal to m1a. Here you have this value. So therefore, m1g minus t is equal to m1. Then what is the a value? This one. m1 minus m2 sin theta by m1 plus m2 into g. So our requirement will be t transform that side. But this is we have to write plus t. This is transfer here. m1g m1 m1 minus m2 sin theta by m1 plus m2. So in this equation m1g will take common. One minus m1 minus m2 sin theta by m1 plus m2. Now we'll take LCM m1 plus m2. So your denominator 1 is there. So that's why m1 plus m2. Now bracket remove. Here plus m1, here minus, that means minus m1, minus or minus plus m2 sin theta by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. Now plus m1 minus m1 get cancelled. Plus m1 minus m1 get cancelled. So tension T is equal m1g inside bracket m1 minus plus m1 minus m1 get cancelled. Here remaining m2 plus m2 sin theta. m2 plus m2 sin theta by m1 plus m2. So in this equation m2 will take common. m2 will take common. m1 m2 g of 1 minus 1 plus sin theta by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. Okay, this is tension in the string. Tension in the string. Or this is we have to write T is equal m1 m2 of 1 plus sin theta g by m1 plus m2. This is very most important for solving the problems NEET, JEE, MCET or other competitive exams. So thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.